Good morning, students. This is a story, Children at Work, from the book It So Happened. It's a very interesting story from South India. You love it? Let's read it. When the Kanyakumari Express pulled in at Chennai Central, we are talking about a train called Kanyakumari Express, and the railway station is Chennai Central. That means we are talking about Tamil Nadu. It took Velu some time to get off. So he is on a train. The name of the character is Velu. When he finally stood on the platform is when you get off the train at the railway station. That particular place is called the platform. His legs felt wobbly. Wobbly means shaky, not steady. Because when you travel for a long time in a train, it takes you some time to be steady. Oi, out of the way. This is the author is used the local language. Normally in Hindi we say oi. So a porter went by with a loaded trolley. Porter, if you have been in a train, there are people who carry your luggage. Coolie. Normally we call them coolie. And if you have been on a railway station, there is a trolley on which luggage is moved. Velu jumped aside. He sat on a bench in a platform. There are benches where you can sit and wait for trains. Putting his small bundle down. In all his 11 years, that means Velu is 11 years old, he had never seen so many people. Except once a year at the fair in his village. Why? Because he is coming from a village. And he had never seen so many people. If you have been to a railway station, you will feel a lot of crowd there. People walked by, bumping. Bumping is hitting each other bumping into him with their suitcases. Hitting him with their suitcases because there's too much of a crowd. A voice announced something on a loudspeaker. If you are in a railway station, there is a loudspeaker which tells you about the arrival and departure of different trains. Near him, a group of people sat. Next page. With their luggage looking at TV hanging from the roof. The noise was terrible. At a railway station, there is always a monitor on the top which indicates you the arrival, departure, delay of different trains. So we are talking about Velu here, who's come from a village. Velu put his head down on his knees. That is, he bent his knees, feeling miserable. Miserable is sad, and exhausted is tired. Please keep your writing material in hand and write down the meanings wherever necessary. He had run away from his village 2 days ago. So now we know the story that Velu had run from his village 2 days ago. For 2 days he had eaten nothing but some peanuts and a piece of jaggery. Jaggery is good. Good in English we say jaggery. So for 2 days he had had nothing. In his bundle he carried a shirt, a towel and a comb. So all he had in his bundle was a shirt, a towel and a comb. He had walked for most of the first day to Kanpur and then got on the train to Chennai. That means he has run away from Uttar Pradesh because Kanpur is in Uttar Pradesh. So from his village he had gone to Kanpur and then got on to the train to Chennai. Velu had no money for a ticket. So he is without money and without ticket. But luckily the ticket collector didn't come to the unreserved compartment. So he is travelling in the general compartment. He had tried to sleep on the floor next the door. So since he doesn't have a reservation, he was sleeping near the door of the compartment. A group of men next to him had played cards and shouted all night. And the other men who were with him, to pass time, they were playing cards. Hey, see another Hindi word here. What? New to town? Called a rough voice. Rough is harsh, a hard voice. Hey, what? New to town? That means naye ho. Velu opened his eyes. There were a lot of people standing around, but nobody was looking at him. Here, hey, idhar, hey. He turned around. Behind him was a girl around his own age. So when he turns around, he sees the person who's calling him is a girl wearing a long banyan. Banyan is that the inner vest which we wear that came down to her knees. So she is wearing a vest which is very long and it is going down to her knees. Her hair was stiff and brownish. Stiff means hard and brownish, and she had a huge sack on one shoulder. Sack is a big bag is called a sack. She was picking up dirty plastic cups from the floor and stuffing them into her next page into her sack. So here let me tell you students, this girl is a rag picker. Rag picker are children who pick waste material like paper, plastic, metal, and they collect it and then they sell it to a junk dealer, that is kabadi, and that is how they earn their living. So in your town here in Tiri you won't have these rag pickers, but in big cities like Chennai, Mumbai, Delhi, you have these rag pickers who collect all waste and then they sell it to the junk dealer. The junk dealer then sends all what he has collected to a factory and then it is recycled. So they help, these rag pickers help in cleaning our environment and in recycling. So this is a beautiful story about two small kids, a girl and a boy. The name of the boy is Velu. We'll continue now. No need to stare stupidly, foolishly. What's your name? Velu, muttered Velu. Muttered is speaking very softly. Within your mouth is called muttered. So Mr. Velu, said the girl, looking at his bundle, run away from home. Ghar se bhage ho? Velu didn't answer. He didn't want to tell some strange girl what he had done. He had run away because he couldn't stand his father beating him for one more day. So now we know, children, why he had run away from his home. He had run because his father used to beat him every day. His father would snatches, take away all the money Velu and his sisters earned and spend it on drink. Drink is alcohol. So the father was beating them every day and he couldn't bear it anymore. So he ran away from his house. Don't think I don't know. This place is full of children like you. So what are you going to do here? Become rich? So what she tells Velu is, क्या करोगे यहाँ पे? What are you going to do here? You have come here to become rich to Chennai. She sat next to him. Velu shifted away slightly. She also sat with him on the bench. He felt hunger pinching him. He could hear the pain of hunger and pressed his stomach with a grimace. Grimace is pain. So he is very hungry. As you know, for the last 2 days he has had nothing but some peanuts and jaggery. You won't get food by sitting here. Glumly. Glumly is sadly making faces. He is making faces because he is feeling hungry. I can find some if you want. So girl tells, don't sit here like a stupid fool. I'll find some food for you. She picked up a sack, that is a bag, and started to walk away. Velu stayed on the bench. He was still sitting on the bench. What should he do? Now he is thinking. Should he follow this girl? Where was she going to take him? She was disappearing into the crowd. Since there is a lot of people there, so he is now deciding whether to follow her or not. So he had to make up his mind quickly. So finally he decides. Alright, he decided. Anyway, I have no idea where to go. He jumped and ran after her. She wasn't even looking back to see where he was. So she just offered him that don't sit here stupidly. If you want food, come with me. And Velu decides that since he is new to this town, he decides to go with her. So we'll continue this chapter in our next video. Thank you all of you and have a nice day.